Hi, I'm Derek Fraser. Welcome back to another episode of Coldstream Rod Top. Kind of go over what we've been doing to the Milkman's 3-window coupe. It came in here for a little bit of work. We are going to do some interior work. I was also asked to fix a few things onto it. The door was rattling, and also the door had actually dropped over time. The car is about 10 years old or more, so over time things do move. Things come undone. One of the big things he wanted done was that the car didn't have any exterior door handles. All it had was just like a little knob on the inside of the door, like this. You had to reach in and you had to flip it up and down in order to open the door. Problem is, if you rolled your windows up, you couldn't get into the car. So I went out and I bought some 3-window door handles. I've got them installed. A fellow YouTuber, Deuce Devil, he has a car very similar to this with fenders, and he did a similar thing. I've also done the same thing to my Model A, and we're doing it to the 32 3-window, the 32 pickup, pardon me. There are bear claw latches on this door, so it's not like an original steel car door. So I bought the handles, I've got them installed. If you come over here, we'll grab the light. The handle comes through the door, and then there's a little lever here that goes down, and it clicks on the bear claw latch. So there we go. So that's basically the mechanism there. We've got that installed, had to cut a hole here in order to do it, and we took out the old button. Another thing that we're going to do, I've ordered the parts in. I don't know if I can manage to show you here. On the pickup truck, I've also got bear claws, and on the pickup truck, this is my bear claw for the pickup truck. There's an internal handle that we're going to install on the 3-window as well. So this is the mechanism. I bought it out of the US from a company called Rocky Hinge. So when they come in, I'm going to install that from behind here, right about there. And then I'll have a little connecting wire or a rod to come over here so that you can then put a handle on the inside like that. So we'll have an inner door handle on this as well. Once I get the parts, I'll show you what I've done, but for now, the Milkman has exterior door handles, and they're installed on both sides. Over here, we've taken both seats out and started to make some inner door patterns for the upholstery. And we'll keep on working on that over the next few weeks and through the winter. It doesn't have to be done until basically car season next year, so it's here for a while. Oh my goodness, there we go. So, works well. The other side's done too, as well. Got it hooked up. This window was off the track too, had to reinstall that. That was, took a little while to do that, but there we go. I'll show you how the inner door handle works that I was just talking about, because we've got it set up here on our Model A. So, exterior door handle, and then basically we're just going to do the same thing with the 32 3-window. So that's where we are on the 32 3-window. Took quite a bit of time to do that, even though it only took a few minutes to show you what we did. But that's where we're at. Any questions, send us a message. Love to hear what you think about it. Send some comments. Please like and share. And please subscribe to the channel. Everybody, take care.